What is up, my beautiful people? I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Daniel and this is my bug channel. This video is a conglomeration of a bunch of random bugs that I found throughout the summer working as a pest control technician, so it's absolutely jam-packed with bug content. Because of some unforeseen circumstances at our local company, I've had to work in the field as a technician about the whole summer, and I usually work in the office, so this has given me a great opportunity to put together a bunch of good content for this video. So basically this video I'm gonna go step by step pretty quickly through a bunch of different bugs, explaining what they are and how I found them. Some of these pests you are seeing have been featured on this channel before, but a bunch of them are going to be brand new. For each clip, I'll be putting the name of the bug right in the bottom corner here. So if you guys want to research these bugs yourself, feel free, just use this name, search it on the internet, and it will give you a ton of information about it. Some of these bugs are going to be brand new to you guys, so if you don't know what they are, just shoot me a comment and I'll tell you what they are and exactly what they do. So without further ado, let's get into the bug content. To kick off the video, we have a beautiful but deadly yellow paper wasp. They're called paper wasps because of the way they construct their nest. The nest has the appearance and texture of paper. Next, we have a very common ant species, the odorous house ant. These ants are absolutely infesting this electrical outlet. Shocking, right? And everyone's least favorite bug, the bed bug. I made a whole video about this specific, completely disgusting infestation. You should definitely check it out. I'll put the link to pop up above. And my personal favorite bug to exterminate, the German cockroach. All of these cockroaches are running around the walls because I just sprayed them with a flushing chemical to get them out of their hiding spots. But don't worry, they will be dead soon. Very, very soon. I'm currently working on a close-up, deep dive look into this specific cockroach infestation, so if you guys haven't, please subscribe to my channel so you can see the video. These are more cockroaches here. Look how many come out of this one crack by the sink. There are probably 20 adults in this one crack alone. That's a lot of cockroaches for one crack. If you see cockroaches like this running around your sink, I would probably just move out of the place because that's pretty nasty. But some people get disgusted by this, but I actually kind of like it. They must be having a pretty good time living in this sink. I hate to storm on their parade, but these guys have got to go. And yeah, they just keep coming on in this kitchen. This is the same kitchen. This is not a good place to eat, but this is a very good place to be a cockroach. Now these were one of my favorite insect spottings this spring. These are hundreds of red carpenter ants. These specific ones have wings because they are the reproductive castes of a colony. They are on a mission to fly to a new location to start a colony with their beautiful husband or wife. This was early in the morning, so they were all resting on this van. As the temperature warms throughout the day, they will begin to become more active. As they start to become more active, they will begin to use their brand new wings flying away to a beautiful place to start a family. You can see how they weren't very active, so that gave me the perfect opportunity for a great shot. And now we have a quick appearance from the mighty groundhog. I made a whole video about how I fell in love with my cute friend. Check it out above, I'll put a link. Now this guy, I wasn't even looking for him. This guy just flew right into my truck. This bug is called a chorid bug, and it's in the true bug insect family. I thought this guy was cool. They aren't very common, and they have a very dynamic body shape. It's almost like they are wearing a body of armor with the way their wings are shaped. So I thought that one was pretty cool. But out of nowhere, a few days later, a chorid bug, about twice as big, came hurtling in from space and landed right next to me. It literally sounded like a helicopter landing next to me. I was able to capture it for further examination. Check out how big this guy was. This is one of the biggest insects I've seen this spring. And on top of that, this guy was missing an entire leg. Take a look at this super long antenna, and also check out how long and flat its back legs are. It helps it blend in and camouflage with its surroundings because it kind of looks like a stick. Listen to how loud it is when it takes off. Next, we have a bunch of busy bumblebees doing what bees do best, collecting honey. And of course, they don't actually collect honey, they collect nectar. These guys are collecting nectar for their nearby colony. There are so many beautiful flowers for them to choose from this time of year. You would think that they can just crawl around from one flower to the other on this plant, but it seems like they just can't stay still. As soon as they get to one, they just have to fly to another one. Now this next one might not look like much, but this black moving thing is actually the big old booty of an eastern carpenter bee. This thing that I'm poking the bee with is a device that I use to dust chemicals into the hole. This insecticide will shoot up into the hole, killing the carpenter bee. I do hate to kill bees, but the carpenter bees cause a ton of damage to wood, and the customer specifically asked me to get rid of them. So I gotta do what I gotta do. Our last bee species is the miner bee, or a digger bee. I made an entire video about finding this cool species of bee in my yard. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll make it pop up above. They're so cute how they just dig their little personal hole in the ground. This next insect is so nostalgic for me. I call them lightning bugs, but apparently people on the western side of the United States call them fireflies. But I guess either is fine. But for me, they're always going to be lightning bugs. When I was a kid, I used to spend hours on summer nights running around the backyard like a crazy person trying to catch as many of these as I could. I would take them inside and leave them overnight just to wake up and realize that most of them were dead. I guess I was a pretty ruthless kid. They really are fascinating though, especially how they can regulate this chemical reaction within their bodies. If you watch the behavior of lightning bugs, their flashes are definitely not random. They use the light show to attract mates. I can see how this works well. If I had a booty that could glow up bright yellow, I'm sure I would get all the ladies. Next we have my slithery friend, the eastern garter snake. I had to remove this snake from a customer's home by hand a few weeks ago. I also made a video about this one, check out the link above. Here are some of the first bugs I filmed this spring. These are more reproductive ants from a nearby colony. This video was taken in early March, which is very early to see ants. Then there's this epic dragonfly species I found in Florida. I've decided that this species is a darner dragonfly. And finally, we have our very own insect war. The Argentine ant versus the eastern subterranean termite. Personally, my money is on the ants because they have a hard exoskeleton, while termites have a soft exoskeleton. They both have exoskeletons, but the termites are used to living in the ground, so theirs is much softer. Alright everybody, so that's the end of the video, but I am very curious about figuring out which insect or pest was your favorite, so please leave a comment and let me know what your favorite was or what you had questions about. I did really enjoy making this video. Sometimes I take short clips of bugs that I see and I don't have enough footage to post a whole video about them, so this is a really good way for me to get this content to you guys. I will probably be trying to make videos like this every couple months just to get some of these cool short clips to you guys and let you know what I see out during the day when I'm working. So let me know if you guys like it, and please, as always, subscribe to my channel, drop a like or comment or whatever you need. I'll see you next time.